Hello and welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking at something really essential for every business, but maybe not something you think about every day. Commercial plumbing. Basically, how water gets in and out of places like, your favorite cafe or a busy office. We're using some great info today from Pacific Blue Mechanical to help us understand it better, our goal. To quickly get why using local plumbing help is such a smart move, especially somewhere like Vancouver, we want to focus on the benefits, the really good stuff it brings to businesses.
That's right. It's fascinating, actually, how much just knowing the local area can make a difference. It's not just about, fixing a leaky faucet. It impacts how the whole business runs day in, day out.
Okay, yeah, let's unpack that. So commercial plumbing, it's for bigger places, right? Making sure water and waste move smoothly. Not just like your sink at home, but systems for, lots of people.
Exactly. Think about it like this. For a business to actually do its work, the water needs to work correctly. If it doesn't, everything can just grind to a halt. Good local plumbing helps make sure there are no watery surprises stopping things.
And here's where it gets really interesting for businesses right here in Vancouver. Our source, Pacific Blue Mechanical, points out that Vancouver's weather, like the rain, the cold snaps, and even being near the water, can make plumbing kind of tricky.
Oh, absolutely. That's a key point. Local plumbers really get Vancouver's specific issues. They know about, say, the risks of pipes freezing in older buildings during a cold winter, or how salty air near the coast can affect pipes over time. Plus, they know the city's rules, like the specific codes for restaurants, grease traps, that sort of thing. It helps businesses avoid headaches and fines. They're not just pipe experts, they're experts in Vancouver's pipes.
Right. Okay, so let's talk benefits for the businesses themselves. First up, keeping things running smoothly and saving money. Our source mentions that regular checks stop those tiny little problems from becoming, huge, expensive ones, like a small leak. That could turn into a flood if you ignore it. Big mess, big cost. Good plumbing also means using less water, so lower bills too.
Yeah, it's like preventative care.
Yeah.
The health checkup for the building's plumbing, it helps avoid those sudden sick days for the business.
Yeah.
A burst pipe closing things down. So it saves on emergency repair costs, sure, but it also makes the whole system last longer. That's just smart business, saves money and time.
Okay, second big benefit, staying safe and following the rules. Vancouver has pretty important rules, especially for places serving food. You need things set up right so everything's clean and safe. Local plumbers, they know these rules inside out. They make sure everything's up to code.
Exactly. And it's not just about dodging fines, though that's important too. Professional work means the water stays clean, which is crucial for health. And it prevents nasty stuff like floods or sewer backups. Basically, it ensures the business meets all those local health and safety standards. That's vital for your reputation and just for keeping people safe, staff, customers, everyone.
And the third benefit, we looked at keeping customers happy and protecting your reputation. I mean, imagine you go into a restaurant bathroom and it's not working or it's unclean. That's not good, right? You might not go back. The source highlights how reliable plumbing really contributes to a positive customer experience.
It really does. It sends a message, doesn't it? That the business cares about the details, even the hidden stuff like pipes. When everything just works smoothly, cleanly, it leaves a much better impression. In a busy place like Vancouver, that kind of reliability can really make a business stand out. People notice.
So, pulling this all together, what's the main takeaway? Getting local plumbing experts, like the kind you might find through Pacific Blue Mechanical for your Vancouver business, means you get quick help when needed. You get someone who genuinely understands the city's unique plumbing landscape, and often you get more personal, reliable service that helps your business run better.
Absolutely. Looking at the bigger picture, it shows that specialized local knowledge isn't just a nice to have. It's a real competitive advantage for any business trying to succeed here and, avoid those costly surprises.
So here's something to think about next time you're out and about in the city. Maybe you're in a busy shop or restaurant. What's one small detail you might notice now, thinking about all that unseen work, like the plumbing, keeping everything running smoothly? And how does that invisible stuff actually make your own experience better? Lots to consider. Thanks for diving deep with us today.